Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you around something totally different. You could probably hear it running in the background, but yeah, I'll show it to you. What I've gone and got, I've had it a while, but basically here it is. I'll give you a running of what it's like to live with this and just drive in it, go for a quick drive and walk around and all the rest of it. But yeah, what I've bought basically is a Honda CRV. Is an EX spec, so it's top of the range. It's got all the goodies on it, everything you can think of. So it basically is your BMW eater, your Mercedes eater, your Audi eater, everything. So it's got everything you can think of. But yeah, let's get started. From the outside, we'll start from the front. From the outside, it's basically a SUV. It looks big and chunky, just the way we like it, but it's not really actually that big of a car inside. I mean, it's huge inside, but it doesn't feel like you're driving such a big car, and it's high up, which I've really enjoyed driving something such like quite high up like this. Factory 18-inch alloy wheels. This spec, the EX, comes with these 18-inch alloy wheels. It's got projector beam headlights, fog lights, the headlight washers, parking sensors as well, power folding mirrors, electric mirrors. This one's a bit, yeah, glass stuck on top of a glass. I don't know why or what's going on there. But yeah, I think there's nothing really else going on outside. There's no body kit or anything. There's no massive spoiler. It's a diesel, so there's no big exhaust or anything like that. I don't know what's going on there. That's the first time I've seen that as well myself. But yeah, parking sensors on the back. It's got a reverse camera there as well. But yeah, inside we have a very nice spec. It's full leather interior. I'll just show you the boot whilst I'm here. It's got this twin split fold boot, so you've got this upper section, you've got this tonneau cover or whatever you want to call it, so you can hide the stuff. I don't know what it's for, I've never really used it, but you got that. And then this is another compartment, and you've got a massive boot underneath, yeah, for everything you'll need. Comes with like a boot plug, whatever you want to call it. There's a cubby hole here as well, and then underneath here you've got your steel wheel, your jack, and all that sort of stuff. But anyway, yeah, so that's that. In the front, I do like this electric seats. So if I jump in, I can basically adjust the seats with these electric motors. So you can see I'm going forwards and backwards. I can adjust the height as well, so the seat is raising, now is lowering, and now the front of the seat is raising. It is cool, and it's got lumbar adjustment as well on these buttons here. It is nice, it is nice. Here's the driver's view, the cockpit shall we call it. All leather trims on the doors, on that side as well. You've got a full leather interior in the back as well. I mean, I've quickly given it a quick clean. Basically we've been using this with the family, and it was quite dirty. I'll show you some clips now. And like, yeah, it had rubbish everywhere, sweet packet wrappers and crisps and bottles and cans, and yeah, so we tidied up that quickly just to make the car a little bit presentable. But yeah, back to the driver's view. There's a nice steering wheel. It's not actually too big, and it's definitely not too small. I like these knobbly grips on the side here. And obviously it's got all your multifunctional, it's got voice control, it's got answering the phone buttons, cruise control, and it all works. All the electrics work on this car, so alhamdulillah, it's been good. Obviously that's your stereo volume, whatnot, your mode. Also, it came with a reverse camera, which I mentioned as well, so I'll chuck it into reverse now. There you go. And it's quite a clean screen as well. I mean, I've sat in cars like the Qashqai, the Nissan Qashqai, that's got a horrible reverse camera. But yeah, from factory, very nice. It's also got sat navs as well, so if we okay that, so like that's where I'm at the moment. If we zoom out, it's basically got maps, which is very cool. But yeah, loads of nice little cubby holes. So I got my sweets, my snacks, just another cubby hole down here. It's got your aux, which I've connected my Bluetooth to, power leads, heated seats. That's one thing I've really enjoyed with this car, heated seats. Yeah, I don't really go anywhere without the heated seats. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, all your sort of electric power folding mirrors. So on the dash, press the button and then beep, beep, and it opens back up. Same with that one there. But yeah, it's got dual zone climate control. It's quite cold outside. I'll show you some clips as well. We'll go for a drive and I'll show you how cold it is outside. But yeah, no, I do really like it. It's got obviously the nice sun visors, and it's got a mirror as well. I mean, I don't never really use it, but it's just cool to have. Another thing, it's got a pan roof as well. I've managed to break this front one, but yeah, that is cool. Look at that. So it's got from the front and back a double one. But yeah, no, that's cool. I really like this. I wanted a sunroof, but they don't come with a sunroof, so pan roof had to do. But yeah, no, it's cool. I like it. I really like it. It's got mood lighting as well, so it was an optional extra the person bought on the. I've got the original invoice as well with this, which was quite cool. They put some rubber mats in, which was really nice as well. I do like these rubber mats better than the carpet ones that wear out. But yeah, we got the carpet in the back, which I'm not too fussed about. But the front, yeah, nice rubber mats on the front and in the middle section as well. But yeah, so there's not really much to the car. It's full spec, like I said. It's got full leathers, electric seats, heated seats. What else is there? Parking sensors. I'll show you the parking sensors as well. Reverse camera I've showed you. It is a lot of car for the money. So yeah, we'll go for a quick drive now, I think. So yeah, basically it's a very easy car to drive. I mean, it's no different to your standard Golf. It's just a manual. There's no real tractor noise. Only when it's standing outside that you hear it sounding like a bit of a tractor. But yeah, no, it's a really nice car. I do like it. It's so easy to drive. And it's high up as well. Obviously, like I said, it's got height adjustable seats as well. So I don't know if the camera's going to pick me up raising. But yeah, I've gone quite tall now. And here I am back down. But yeah, no, it is a nice car. It's got electric windows all round, power windows, power steering, power mirrors. Everything is like, if there's anything on the spec, it's got it. Like there's nothing I can think of other than 700 horsepower, which isn't on any spec list for any car really. It's got everything. It's genuinely got everything. I like it. I really do like it. And it's super comfortable. We've been up and down the country on it. Oh, I did show the dash. For those who haven't seen and clocked what mileage is on, guess what the mileage is on as well? This car here is one of those high mileage heroes that has just been going on and on and on. And do you know what the best thing is? It's got a really fat folder of paperwork. There's no real invoices because it's never really needed anything, but there is a few. I mean, like the first few, like it's got the main dealer Honda service history. It's got nearly every MOT certificate from new. So it's 2008 plus 3, 2011. So it's got 11 MOT certificates it should have, and it's basically got them. I think it was missing 1 year's somewhere, but yeah, that's nothing really. And each MOT, if you check the car, each MOT is a clean pass, not a single advisory. So, and literally there's invoices with the car as well. If it's ever needed anything, is literally been spent on the car, anything that is needed, because I mean it's not been ran into the ground sort of thing, because the MOT certificate, MOT history is clean every single year, back to back. It's gone for a selection of owners now as well. But yeah, if it's ever needed anything, it's got it. It's literally had it. So yeah, I'm really happy with this car. Another thing is, this car, engine-wise, gearbox-wise, is a 2.2 diesel, which is the same engine that's in your Honda Accord, your Honda Civic, and the shape before as well. Is that not ID Tech, the CD TDI or whatever it is. 140, 150 brakes, something like that. 6-speed manual, and all in all, it drives and pulls just like basically any normal car would. It doesn't feel like fat and sluggish. MPG wise, I don't know if the camera's picking it up on the right angle or whatnot, but I have been getting around 37 mpg with my driving, and I have got a fairly heavy right foot. But yeah, mileage wise, for those that were wondering what the mileage is, I wonder how many people gave it a guess and got it right. But the mileage actually for this car is 215,404. So 215k miles, 215,500 miles are on the clocks of this, and this is genuine mileage. Obviously all the MOT certificates add up and all the rest of it, VOSA approved, you know, all that good stuff. And yeah, 215k miles. That's a lot of miles. I mean, we've had cars more than that, but that just goes to show, as long as you've got someone who's gonna look after the car, these cars do go on. And I see people like thinking, oh, their car's on 100k, time to get rid of it, it's gonna break apart. But yeah, I do like my Hondas. Like you guys know, I like all of my Jap cars. But yeah, some of you guys like really do enjoy some of my content. I mean, some people obviously is Marmite in it. You either like it, you don't. The same with anything. I mean, I'm still to build my platform. But yeah, in terms of what I'm gonna do with the car, I mean, some people have noticed that I don't have a car, especially on my Instagram. Like, I mean, I only get a car to sort of go through it. Once I've driven it, I mean, like this I've had for 3 months, so now that it's gonna be finally potentially uploaded and put up onto the channel, and someone's gonna ask, oh yeah, I like that car, tell me more about this, tell me more about that, or why don't you do this? I mean, like, I've already got bored of the car by then, sort of thing, and it's gonna be gone. And so because of that, I think I'm just gonna sort of do like 5-minute reviews of each car. I mean, this video is probably like 15 minutes long now, but that's not the point. But yeah, basically I think what I'm gonna do now to start off with, I'm gonna do repairs and upgrades as well. I don't know what yet. I've got a few videos filmed. I just need to get around to editing it. But basically, what I'm thinking is, any car that I do buy now, because a lot of you have realised I sort of buy it, go through it, get rid of it, move on to the next. But yeah, so I think what I'm going to do is, any car that I get now, like obviously I had the Mercedes, I wanted to do a few videos on there as well, because I did do some work on there. We replaced the pads on there, so, and it was a 2-piston caliper, so you could have, for the people that haven't seen, or the people that wanted to see me have a go at it, yeah, I think I filmed it, I can't remember. But yeah, for example, if I do the work on the car, like the MOT on this car is up in 2 days, which is why I thought, whilst I've got it MOT'd, I'll quickly take it out for a drive, show you guys the car, walk around. If I get rid of it next week, I get rid of it, but yeah, I'll show you guys, and then just, I don't know what it's like to live with. I mean, it is genuinely a nice car. MPG wise is great. Like I said, for me anyway, I'm used to like 10, 15 MPG in the Type. Oh, sorry, I forgot what I was saying, but basically, the battery died on the GoPro. But anyway, I don't know what I was saying. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If I do keep the car, I think I'll keep it short term. I'm short, maybe another 2 months or so, but we'll see what happens. I don't know. I might keep it, but if I keep it, there's a couple of repairs that I know that I need to do. I need to sort out the rear brakes. I need to sort out, obviously, the handbrake. Oh yeah, that's another thing I wanted to show you. It's got like a airplane style, like airplane style handbrake, which is quite cool. Well, yeah, so basically the handbrake only locks on that wheel there. That wheel we don't really touch. So I'm not sure whether that's just adjusting the cables or replacing the pads now. But yeah, the brakes are squealing, which it wasn't like that when I bought it. In the last 3 months, obviously I've basically killed the car in simple terms. But yeah, and the front windscreen washers have stopped working. Hopefully it's just a fuse, but if not, I had a look on eBay. It's about £17 for a new pump, and then I've basically just replaced the pump, and then hopefully then is ready to be MOT'd on Tuesday, and then happy days. Yeah, we'll see what we get up to with this. I mean, if I'm going to pick up cars, if we're doing track days and whatnot. Oh yeah, I bought a new track car as well. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I've dragged it on way too long. I'm looking at the timer now. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you're subscribed, and let me know what sort of like little mods or little tips and tricks you'd like to see with cars and whatnot, or just any questions that you want to ask. Just let me know in the comments. It is always nice to communicate with my followers and whatnot.